Giving food.
Thank you very much.
We will go there. We will check the... Mon, pasok.
ما في مشكلة. ما في مشكلة.
Yes, yes, yes.
أنا مدير ماله. ما في مشكلة. أنا صديق.
Yeah. Yesterday I was here.
إيه ما في مشكلة.
Good morning, guys. I am here at the goat farm. Obviously, I am with Kuya Raymond. There's Kuya Raymond and the farm caretaker. Yes, because we don't have money to go to the city. So we decided to just spend some time here at the goat farm. Later on we will go to the camel farm and we will give them food also. Yay! Cutie, cutie! And that's our work site, very close. Yeah. They love accepting people or guests because they're very welcoming. I can understand that because all of this are just being taken care of to people. And see, the outside environment is just all desert. One Indian and one Sudanese are taking care of this farm. There's chicken, mostly goats, special goats. Oh, girl here. That's why it's like they miss every... they love talking to people because they miss talking to people. Imagine all these years, there are just two of them. And actually one of the Indian guy, he has been here for 10 years. His surrounding is this for 10 years. Must be difficult. I'm going inside. Puti pa more.
Yes.
Puti pa more, okay lang. Oh, kuya. Naka ano yan? Give me one please. Ah, this one.
ما في مشكلة.
What's this red?
Red number ماما 12.
Mama.
बच्चा 12.
Okay.
كله سم बच्चा मुश्किला.
Aywa. So what can you say?
That's your number.
Number 1, 2, 3.
Hi guys, this is Fadli, my new friend. Your name again? I forgot.
Muhammad Salahuddin.
Muhammad Salahuddin from India.
Yes.
He has been here for 10 years.
Yes.
He is taking care of this farm. 10 years already. No?
Yes.
Wow, that's a hard work. Wow, nice. Your mama is number 30. 12.
Hen.
Yeah.
Picture.
Maybe you know, 10 years. You know me also. You. Living.
Hello. Ana. Hey, Kapil.
Kapil.
Kapil Khadama. To Sri Lanka. كله روز روز آليس كله هكتار 32 years.
Oh.
32 years هكتار. هكتار يجي بعدين أنا هكتار سلفادور.
Oh.
Malum ha.
Where are they now? Finished?
لا ما في كله خوان يجي.
Okay. So I understand.
جيمر الحين جديد سباك ممكن 2 months. Filipino.
They are working with your boss.
Boss,
in the room, in the house.
madrasa, Kapil daughter, community school.
Their workers are mostly
Worker,
Filipinos,
mama.
Filipinas.
Mama, bakala, cooking.
I would like to interview this guy. I think he wants to say something. What can you say? Huh? What can you say? Number 12. I think he wants also.
Yeah.
He likes you.
Ayan ako. Number 12. Mga workers na sa bahay daw, Filipina. O, dinadala din dito pag ano. Ay!
Laging dawa.
Ni. Yes. Ayan, cute voices.
Number.
Regular native. Hello. Ang liliit. Small size. Sagir. Sabi mo sa farm mo.
Very nice. Ano to? Siguro.
Yan ang mga malalaking ano, mga nanay. Female daw yan eh. Lalaki, mahal yan. This is a banis.
Rutan, ito ni Kuy.
Doon pa, main batya. Sagir, mga famous. And now we are here at the camel farm. It's just a neighbor of goats farm. Yeah. And they are growling. Sila nagtututbrush. Hello. Lalaki.
Yalla, tanda.
Kuya Mon. Hi guys, here are the baby camels. Calf. What do you call a baby camel? It's a calf. Plural calves. Am I right? Yeah.
Very beautiful.
Ang amo naman mukha. Huh?
Ano sa wa mi? Also. Go.
So, we're leaving the farm. Future farm owner also yan. Pero gulay yung sa amin. Tsaka mga saging, vegetable farm, dito farm animals. Ito lang yung day off namin guys.
Yung day off ng walang sweldo.
Wala kasi kaming budget to go around. But here.
Ngayon lang, next week. For sure.
Next week ano naman kami. City naman ang pang-forma namin dito ngayon. Ay, yung anak ng may-ari ng farm. Ayun, lalo na to. Yayamanin ang look. Tulog pa yung mga amo. Yung may-ari. Yun lang yung site namin. Very near.